Thank you for your interest in program offered by Manipal Academy of Higher Education and Institution of Eminence. This demo on Manipal Entrance Test, commonly known as MET environment, will familiarize you with the various functionalities of online test platform. The following are the requirements to run the test using Pariksha. Supported browsers are Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer 9 or 10. Pop-up blocker should be turned off. Clear browser cache before start of the test. Pariksha site URL should be in your trusted sites. Screen resolution should be 1024 by 768 and above. An internet connection on your PC with a minimum speed of 512 kbps. Please do not start the test if your PC does not meet above requirements. If your PC meets all these requirements, please click on the Pariksha test player below to launch test. On completion of the registration process at the test center, you will be assigned a designated seat. Kindly occupy the designated seat with the computer screen that displays your photo and application number. Choose your date of birth from the calendar option. Select the checkbox to confirm your details and click the Sign In button. In the next screen, your application number, name and photograph will be displayed. Please reconfirm your details by clicking checkbox and press Continue button. You will have a maximum of 10 minutes to read and understand the instructions. After reading the instructions, select the checkbox and click on Start Exam button. The test screen will have 4 sections. Section 1 at the top part of the screen contains test, candidate details and countdown timer. The countdown timer will indicate the total time remaining to attempt questions of all sections. Section 2 contains various sections of the test. The total questions for each section is indicated within brackets. For demo purpose, we have shown 10 questions each for mathematics, physics, chemistry and English. The question panel containing the number of questions is displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. Section 3 displays the legends indicating the status of each question. Section 4 contains the buttons with various functionality. Now, let us see how to answer the questions. Based on your preference, you may go to any one of the sections and start answering the questions. In this demo, we will start with Mathematics section first. By default, first question of each section will be selected. On selection, the background of question number will change from white to red. Read the question carefully and select the right answer by selecting radio button next to the answer option. When you go to the next question, the background of answered question in the question panel will change from red to green color. To change the status of already answered question to unanswered question, click the button Clear. In order to go to the next question, either you can click on that question number or click on Next button. All visited questions but not answered will be highlighted in red color. After going through the question, in case if you think that you can answer the question at a later stage, click on Mark. On clicking, the question number will be highlighted in brown color. After final submission, all such unanswered questions marked for review will be taken as unanswered. After going through the question, if you answer the question by selecting an option and think that it is to be reviewed at a later stage, click on Mark. On clicking, the question number will be highlighted in blue color. After final submission, all such unanswered questions marked for review will be taken as answered with 4 marks awarded for right answer and -1 awarded for wrong answer. Summary of each section will be displayed on left hand side. As you can see, out of 10 questions, 4 questions are answered, 1 question is marked for review without answering, 2 questions are marked for review after answering, 1 question is visited but not answered, and 2 questions are not visited. Summary can also be seen by mouse hover on each section. Similarly, browse through all the sections and answer the questions. When you click on last question of last section, End Test button will be enabled on bottom right corner of the screen. Click the button to end the test. On clicking, dialog box will appear showing the summary of answered and unanswered questions along with marked for review status. Press yes to proceed or no to resume. On clicking yes, a dialog box will appear to confirm your decision. Please click on confirm to end test or click on cancel to resume. At the end, your score will be displayed on the screen. Since this is demo, dummy score is displayed. You can download the detailed score from results.manipal.edu 24 hours after the completion of the test. Thank you for going through this demo of the MET test environment. We hope that this video has helped you to understand the various features of the test environment. Please go through the video multiple times so that you are very comfortable when attempting the actual test. We also request you to go through the demo link given under entrance test section of our website www.manipal.edu to experience the actual test environment. We wish you all the best for the Manipal entrance test.